Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Redmi 10 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go to the notification bar and right there you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Just tap on the icon and as can you see right now your Wi-Fi is activated, and just press for a while with your finger on the icon and you will go to the Wi-Fi settings by this way. Also, the second way is just go to the settings app and go here to the Wi-Fi. Now just tap on the switcher here to turn on the Wi-Fi on this device, and now you will see all the available networks. For example, we will go in with this one, and right now just here type your password. If you will just tap here on the icon, you can see the password and tap to connect. So as can you see, our device is connected to this network. Also, if you want to just change the network, you can forget this network and go just to another one from this. If you want to just turn on the Wi-Fi, just tap on the switcher again, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.